Now our topic is uniform circular motion. You see that in uniform circular motion, an object is changing its direction at each and every point. If an object is starting from here in a circular motion, it is moving and coming back here, then again moving. It means that the object is changing its position, its direction. The object is changing its direction at each and every point. Therefore, the velocity is changing. Velocity can be changed either by changing the speed or by changing the direction, because here the direction is changing at each and every point. Therefore, there is a change in velocity. However, the speed is same in this circular path. Therefore, because the velocity is changing by changing its direction at each and every point, therefore accelerated motion is coming in case of circular motion. Now we will study from here. See here, if an object moves in a circular path with uniform speed, then its motion is called uniform circular motion. When an object moves along a circular path, then its direction of motion keeps changing continuously. Since the velocity changes due to continuous change in direction, and thus motion along a circular path is said to be accelerated. This I have just now explained. Now the next point is, when a body takes one round of circular path, then it travels a distance equal to its circumference. See here, when an object is moving from here, its starting point is here and it is moving in a circular path, and then it is coming back to its original position, then one circle is complete, and this is called the circumference of the circle. Now what is written here, see, when a body takes one round of circular path, then it travels a distance equal to its circumference. The circumference of circle is given by the formula 2 pi r. When r is the radius of the circular path, and pi, you know, it is 22/7. Then speed of the body moving in a circular path is given by distance. Speed is equal to distance upon time. Here the distance is 2 pi r and time is t. Then speed will be given by the formula 2 pi r by t, where t is the time taken for one round of the circular path and pi is constant having value 22/7. Some of the examples of uniform circular motion are as follows. First, a piece of stone tied to a thread and rotated in a circle with a uniform speed. Second, the motion of blades of an electric fan around the axle. Number 3, the motion of the moon and the earth. Number 4, the satellite in a circular orbit around the earth. Number 5, a car is moving on a circular path with constant speed. It was about circular motion.